what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, as you guys can read the title, we are going to be finally installing Flashpro.
Damn, they go that flexing nigga
Onto the 8th gen Civic. This is definitely what you need. If you're gonna do any type of modifications with engine parts to your car, like maybe you want to swap out the RBC Gallifol for a Skunk 2 Gallifol. Not sure why you would do it if RBC is like proven to be like the best manifold, unless you're going like big all motor setup, and you know, but then again, so you can like whatever you want to run, a big tube, long tube header, you feel me, anything of that nature, cold air intake like hybrid racing, which you can get a discount on if you use code Zosh at hybridracing.com, save you 5% off your entire order, playboy. So we're going to be installing Flashpro. You need this, and I'm gonna walk you guys through how to set it up and everything, because I haven't even set it up on my laptop yet, so that's why I'm in the kitchen making out. Yeah, come here, girl. I need a new laptop, bro. This laptop has like no space, but we gonna make it do what it do. Pimp. So while the computer boots up and everything, we can finally unbox this thing. I have yet to actually unbox it. Like I had it for like 2 weeks now, or maybe a week, and I've never even unboxed the thing. So let's do that. Don't be nosy looking in the background. All right, I'm doing laundry right now. That's all clean stuff, all right? I just gotta put it in my room, fold it and all that, but you know. This is more important right now, all right? And that's it. So when you buy your Flashpro, that's it. Well, we have our Flashpro right here, and they also gave us a new coaxial cord. So coaxial, pause, fire upon that, my youth. But here we have our new cord from the computer into the Flashpro. But all in all, here is our Flashpro with everything on the back, serial number and stuff of that nature. But yep, this is it. So you need this in order to do things of like, basically this is your standalone ECU until you can get like a standalone ECU, but this works. This works. So you want to download the software that you need, so you type in Flashpro Manager like I did right there, and then you click the fun data link, and then you prompt it to the website once it loads up, and then you just download the software. So once you do that, we'll continue on with installing it. Dun, 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 dun. Load, save, and edit ECU calibrations. Calibrations mean maps. Maps mean tunes. And yeah, pretty much all the stuff you can do. That's pretty much it. So there's two versions of it. You have the full and then you have the reduced size version. I downloaded both. So I don't know, that's what I'm doing. And yeah. Alright, so once you get here, just, you know, do what you normally would and just hit yes, next, yes, next, yes, next. Whoa, back. Lego. It's gonna install now. It's gonna install now. Lego, pimp. Okay, so we have everything downloaded and now opened up. As you guys can see, it's still booting up. Tooted and booted. All right, whoa. So basically this is the same thing as K Manager. If you have like K series, not K series, but like actual K Pro. So same thing really. I think I just have to go outside, plug the car in, and like do all the updating and register it to my software. So let's do that real quickly, boy. All right, so to install your Flashpro, you put it into your OBD2 port, which is right there. Once you do that, turn your ignition to on. This should now have power. And there we go, we got power, we got program, we got data log, we got USB stuff, blah, yada, yada. Now we gotta unplug our USB cord, which is right here. This will go right there, and then hopefully the driver updates itself. All right, so I plugged in my cord, and this, I guess is being upgraded. The firmware, cool, dude. Cool. So once that updates, we'll be able to do calibrations and things of that nature and get my car running right with the new cold air intake setup that I received from Hybrid Racing that I recently installed. So if you haven't watched the last video, I highly recommend it. Watch the whole entire 8th gen build series I have going on. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Zosh, or Percy Mescuddy. Call me what you want. Just call me daddy. All right, Don, don't do that. That'll be lava bun. All right, device setup. Now it's downloading the driver stuff. and we should be good. So before you get to have fun, you have to register your Honda. So, I mean your Flashpro. So click that tab up above right there. It should say Flashpro, and then you just go to the update register, click it, and then you do all this information. Ta-da! BBC is officially registered. Now we can have fun with Honda. So we're gonna go to new calibration, top left-hand corner, and then we're gonna completely stock, tuned, hold on, AM, SRI, whole flow, race header, high flow cat, stock cap, and nah, son. Skunk 2 header and cat back holder. That's it right there. That's what I got. I got a Skunk 2 header and cat back and cold air intake. That's it. That's what I got, playboy. So we're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna click the lightning bolt up top. Well, not the lightning bolt, but the upload arrow. Battery voltage is up. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, so now it's uploading, and I should be good to drive this thing. I'm gonna do some things like disable evap, and I want to figure out how I'm gonna delete my evap because I don't need that anymore. But for now, I just gotta get this car driving and working and things of that nature. So, all right, it's done. Cool. Now, before I start it, let's go to... Damn, Flashpro doesn't have parameters? Oh, I guess it's in calibration? Oh, that's trash. That's bungalow juice, but cool. All right. Messing around with this stuff right here. Miscellaneous, EPS enabled, ELD enabled, purge evap enabled. Trash. Disabled. We don't need that. Trash. Force radiator fan on. Not at no 199. Shit. 175? Now I'm uploading this. So I guess my parameters, usually it'll say parameters on K-Pro, but now it's under calibration. So that's what we gotta do. So now I just went ahead and disabled the purge evap because I don't need that anymore. And I also got rid of the FCAM malfunction because I don't need that either. And I just went ahead and unchecked the evap codes and sensors and stuff like that. So yeah, we should be good. Now I just gotta wait for this thing to download. My battery's probably dead. I mean, it's been forever since this Akira battery ran. It hasn't been a good charge, so gotta let the car idle, drive, boost up the battery, and then go from there. But we're good to go. Next is moving my mom's car so we can go for a drive and see how well we did everything. So the most common thing why people really get, well, not why people really get, but like a most common issue with, I don't call it an issue either, but 8th gens basically have rev hang. Hold on, I gotta finish my thing. If you want to get rid of the rev hang that's on these cars, you basically click on your throttle, and then right here, overrun throttle opening rev hang enabled. Nope, disabled. So once I hit the upload, no more rev hang, and my battery voltage is dropping. Look at that. All right, so the camera angle might be a little weird. Not weird, but like not, you know, proportionate. But first start up with it, I got my camera on the mount. Hopefully this thing starts and everything is good. Let's see. Something going on with the car. I have to figure out, I don't know if I have to disable my MAF sensor. I don't know. I don't think so. It's weird. The car just, I don't know, it seems weird ever since I like did everything with the relocation, the intake stuff. I uploaded a proper map. I don't know. It just, I mean, the car's driving fine. It's not as responsive, but I'll figure it out. I'm on my way to Randy's house right now. I'll figure it out there. Hopefully everything is copacetic. It definitely feels weird though. Definitely feels weird. All right, so I fixed the issue I was having. So when you have Honda, the best thing to do is replace the AFM to a map based. So AFM is like where it would use, like when you have your stock intake arm, right, and you replace one of the damn it, basically when you have a cold air intake, you have to disable AFM and put on map based. I'll show you on the computer once I'm done driving, but it drives way better. I just gotta do like a little bit of cleaning up. I'm gonna see if Hobby will actually send me a map. Yeah, that'd be cool if Hobby could send me like a little stock map or something, a little base map to get me driving until I get like all the proper stuff like fuel injectors and things of that nature. But yeah, it drives pretty good. I'm gonna put the VTEC a little lower, probably like crack at like 5200. It's at 59 right now, so I'll probably have crack at like 50, 52 or something like that. And yeah, should be good. All right, so it is the next day. As you guys can see that say right there, that say JBtuned. Can you see that? Can y'all see that? Yeah, we got some maps to try. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm still gonna walk you guys through everything in case you wanna make your own map to get you to be driving until you go to Tune World. So let's do that. As I was saying, when you get to the fuel table, like when you go to fuel, focus. When you go to fuel, you go down here to where it says AFM enabled. You want to disable that and use speed density map fuel tables. That's what you want to use. You don't want that. You want to go off the map sensor. So now when you do that, everything just kind of works itself out. The AFRs are all like, bro, like Flashpro has very, very good potential to be a really good like software. Like it's not as cool as K-Pro because, you know, you can't upload while you're driving. You literally have to turn the car off, upload what you want done, turn the car back on, drive it, turn the car back off to make adjustments. Like you can't do it on the fly, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, I did that. Now I'm just gonna save my tune, and then I think it's already saved. Yeah, mine's already saved. And now I'm gonna load up a tune that Hobby sent me and then see if I can get the car at least more dialed in. Tune is loaded up. Now start the car. Hold on, here. All right, now I should probably go get gas, cause yeah. But we'll go for a drive, see how this acts, and then my VSA is not working either. Like today early when I was taking my niece to school, like my map sensor threw a code and it made my VSA light come up along with this light, and yeah, I fixed it, but now my VSA doesn't want to work anymore. So that sucks. AFRs are perfect. Like look at that. That's perfect. Sounds good. Didn't lag either. Yes, sir! Hobby came through, boy. Hobby came through. This thing is tuned. So before, I would do pulls on my map, and my AFR's full throttle would be like 16s, 16s, 17s. Now, it's at 11. That's damn good! So, I'm gonna get some gas, and I'm gonna put you guys on the stand, and I'll go for some pulls. I wish I had my GoPro with me so I can like show you guys some pulls like that, but bro, this is it. This is it right now. Oh man, this is perfect. Thank you, Hobby. And if you guys have A-Chains and want this map for your build, I will have it on my website on Zosh MFG, where I have my RSX tunes that I purchased on there. You guys can download my tunes if you guys want to get your car. But make sure you read the description so you can, you know, buy the right thing. Second gear grind. No rev hang though. The reason why my second gear is doing that is I got to replace the clutch master cylinder and the slave cylinder with the hybrid racing one, so I can have that no delay and all that BS crap that happens with these 8s. I want to throw my Torco oil fluids in here as well, but yeah, man. Yeah, good to go, brother. Go get some gas. Yeah, she's good. Make sure there's no cops around. But yeah, she's good. She's tuned. She is good to go. VSA don't work anymore. I don't like that. I want my vehicle, my VSA to work, but it doesn't work anymore. I'm sad. Sad boy vibes. Sad boy vibes. Yo! You have reached the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Hyundai Flashpro. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. I hope I helped somebody out with a tutorial of some sort to get them, I guess, a little bit more educated on the whole system of Flashpro while I was learning to be educated. Links down below to everything. Huge thank you to Hyper Racing for the deal on the Flashpro. Thank you guys, much appreciated. Shout out to my guy Hobby. And if you guys want to support Hobby and I have tunes and stuff on my website where you guys can pick it up so it can benefit both of us, because I gotta pay for the tune and then he gets paid because that's just my dog and that's how I roll. You help me out, I help you. I'm currently shirtless because it's super hot outside, and I just installed the EM1 CMC and brand new slave cylinder from the Hyper Racing CMC kit. So yeah, no more second gear grind. We'll talk about that in the next video. You feel me? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, I love you, but I don't give a I love each and every single one of y'all. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.